Welcome to Map Instinct. Today we'll be looking at how to digitize polygon features. Today we'll be emphasizing on water bodies. We'll try to extract or digitize out the water bodies from this map. We've already digitized the point features, the settlements from this map, and also the roads from this map. So you can check our previous videos, or you can check the link below to see how we did that. And if you want to know how to create a shapefile, please also check the links below, and also check out previous videos on how to do that. Alright, to create our polygon features, we need to activate our editor toolbar as usual. Right click on an empty space here on the menu toolbar and then select editor. Then you can start editing. But I prefer to start editing from the shapefile that we want to digitize. So I'll just right click on water body, edit features, start editing, and then click on create features. That's the last option on the editor toolbar. Click it and it shows up. So I'm going to select water body here, and then the construction tools. You now see the various tools that can be used to digitize, but since it's a polygon feature and we're interested in Polygon, we're going to select Polygon, because you know it is the polygon features are also connection of points that close up. They have a beginning and an ending, and then they meet up and then they close. So we're going to locate the water bodies that we want to extract. We'll just select some random sites, water bodies. Alright, you can see some. So we're going to digitize just like we did digitizing the point features and also the line features. We're just going to click around the water bodies or the edges of the water bodies. So you just left click on the starting point, and then either you go clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I want to go, okay, let's go clockwise. I'm going to click again, click, click, click. Make sure you are zoomed in enough so that your work may be perfect, somewhat perfect. So you just keep on clicking at the edge. And then once you've reached the starting point, you can just double click on the point, or you right click and then select finish sketch. So this particular water body has been digitized or extracted. It's as simple as that. So we're going to also extract more water bodies. But before we do that, I always emphasize on this: make sure you have an external mouse that you're working with. Don't rely on your inbuilt mouse. This will make you to be faster and also flexible and more efficient. Alright, we'll do the same thing here. Then go click, 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 click. Double click. All right, I think we are good. I think I'm satisfied with the number of water bodies that have been digitized. So once we are done, you can now head over to your editor toolbar and then save your edits and stop your edits. So you click on stop editing, and then the question will ask you, do you want to save your edits? You say yes. So you click on yes, and your edits are stored here. So you can check what you've digitized by unchecking the base map. So you just uncheck the base map and you can see the water bodies are represented. So these are the roads that were also digitized, and these are the settlements that were digitized from the base map. So you can see that this map is already taking shape. And this is the simple way of digitizing or extracting features from your map. It's very easy and you can do this, but make sure you have your external mouse, as I've hinted right from the beginning. This will make you to work better. Alright, this is how you create your shape, or rather you digitize. So if you want further tutorials on how to create your shapefiles or georeference, you can check the description, the links in the description below. Alright, see you guys another time.